Welcome back, and today we're outside the JA building in Ikeda town. Today we'll be having a look at the Japanese agricultural event. Let's jump in. Konnichiwa. Genki? ビデオ大丈夫？ビデオ大丈夫？ YouTube？
全然大丈夫です。
はいはいはい。おはよう。こんにちは。よろしくお願いします。
よろしくお願いします。
はい、今日、日本池田タウンアグリカルチャーイベント。はい。
そうです。収穫感謝祭です。
はい、JA スタッフメンバー。はい。はい、僕の日本ちょっと悪い。ごめんなさい。
とんでもない。私も、I'm not good at English.
Yeah, that's all good. And so, mochi event. Mochi?
餅巻き
event. Hi, waka wak.
ワクワク。チャンネルどのチャンネルなんですか？
僕のチャンネル、はい。
それでは餅巻きを始めます。皆さん準備よろしいですか？どうよろしいですか？
Okay, here we go. They're ready to get
はい、
started.
それでは餅巻きを始めます。1、2の、それ！
Here we go.
もう一回いきます。1、2の、それ！
Mochimaki, or mochi throwing, is associated with several beliefs and traditions. Mochimaki can be considered an auspicious ritual in that throwing the glutinous rice ball symbolises a prayer for a good harvest and agricultural prosperity for the year to come. As you can see, it can also be considered an activity that fosters a sense of community as everyone is gathered together for the event. Off camera, behind me, there are babies and little toddlers that are doing their own mini mochimaki event. Throwing mochi during an agricultural festival celebrates agricultural heritage, along with keeping traditional customs linked with farming and the seasons. That's cool. Nice. Yay, I got one. Nice. Gambate, Naido-san. Oh. Oh no. Naido-san. Oh no, I found it on the floor. Oh. Okay. And then I guess I got another one. Okay, so I thought I'd take the sneaky opportunity to try and have a look whilst everybody else is busy. Konnichiwa. Mochi maki. Hi. どうぞ. That's alright. Mochi. Hi. So I one for you. Hi. Please enjoy. Yeah.
Thank you.
大丈夫. お名前ですか?
翼です。
はい。ピッツァリア. And he's been to Italy, and so Italy inspired him to make pizzas and bring his love for pizzas and Italian food to Ikeda in Japan. So he's got a proper wood-fired pizza oven. I'm just putting my hand in there, it feels nice and warm considering it's so cold outside. Sugoi. ナイス。ありがとう。ありがとうございます。
当たるけど当たらないからね、くじ運悪いからもう一回。すごい量。でもこれまでいけないから。
Imagawayaki is a traditional Japanese snack that goes by various names depending on the region. In Hokkaido, it's typically called oyaki. The dessert consists of 3 layers, 2 disc-shaped fluffy pancakes with various types of fillings. This stall provides red bean paste as the filling, also called anko, and they also serve white bean paste, which is called shiroan. I have been to other vendors in the past who have even made them with cream custard, which is a bit of a Western spin, but I would probably consider that my favourite. The dessert is made by pouring batter into the little round moulds and then flipping once one side is cooked. The first pancake is then transferred to another spot where the filling is placed on top. Once the second pancake process is done, the oyaki master wedges the pancakes with the filling inside together to complete the snack. Finish. ない。あご飯ない。悲しい。はいはい。大丈夫。はいはいはい。ありがとう。Hello! ワンちゃん。
ちゃんです。
お名前ですか？
名前はおはぎです。
おはぎです。おはぎかわいい。かわいい。いちごジャンパー。
これね。
ナイス。
女の子。
かわいい。でもちょっと寒い。ありがとう。
はい。
ありがとう。はい、2、1、2、ピッツァ男性、どうぞ。
皆さんがくれたんだ。
はいはいはいはいはい。1、
1回500円。
はい、お願い。
はい。
はい。
はい、1000円です。はい。はい、ネットです。はい。ありがとうございます。ありがとう。
I paid around $3.36 US dollars for a 10-kilogram bag with which I could pack as much onions as I could fit. Whilst the prospect of doing this was exciting, I noted that other people were wearing rubber gloves and I quickly realised why. Picking through some of the onions was really slimy and the smell reminded me of pickled onions, and it wasn't that pleasant. This is a sobering fact and makes me appreciate the pampered life I have lived thus far, in that I have never had to work on a farm growing up. However, with all that said, after picking up the golden brown nuggets, I had finally packed my 10-kilogram bag, and to my wife's dismay, most of which will be going into making a base gravy for future curries, and in turn, stinking out the house and home. Right.
はい、ありがとうございます。
Okay, big.
OK。
はい、ありがとう. Thank you very much.
ういっす。ありがとうございます。
I came to this event the day before, but it was absolutely pissing down, and so I didn't film. There were a lot more products yesterday. OK ね。
まだ入ったんじゃないの
OK、はいはいはい。Finish。OK、大丈夫。はい、大丈夫。OK。See you soon. はい、See you soon. Take care. 気をつけて。ビーフお願いします。
Yes. Thank you so much. Beef kebab or taco?
ビーフケバブお願いします。はい。
はいはい、ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。150円です。
はい、ありがとうございます。
すごい。
すごい。
かっこいいですね。ファイヤー。
いいな。
This is pita.
Nice kebab.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from Wales.
Where?
Wales
あ
Wales はいはいは
Wow.
い。はい。でも、妻、日本人。
Japanese?
はいはいはいはい。
Your wife?
はい。
すごい。はいはい。あ、そうそうだよ。This is Japanese beef.
すごい。和牛
yes,
いいな。
Yeah. Do you know 和牛?
Yeah.
あ、そうだ。トッピング山わさびはガーリックチーズ。
whatever you think.
これはビーフ。
はい、お願い。
今日だけ特別
Today's only
池田町
discount topping.
大丈夫。anything. はいはいはい。anything anything. Whatever you think.
あ、you think.
はい、ありがとう。
Okay. はい、2000コンプリート。
あーすごい
ビーフケバ
いいな。
ブ。Okay.
ありがとうございます。はい。あ
Thank you so much.
りがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
また。
See you this time.
ありがとうまた。Well, I didn't think I'd be eating a beef kebab in Japan, so that's pretty interesting. Unfortunately, I came a bit too late to the festival, so there hasn't been as many things as I wanted to show you, but never mind. It's really the best kebab I've tasted in a long time. Wow, that's really good. The sauce they put on it is fantastic. Because you've got the proper yogurty sauce on the top with the Japanese Wagyu beef. The toasted what looks like a pita bread, and there looks like there's some legumes or some sort of beans in there as well, but it's fantastic. Got a bit of cheese in there as well, and it's so good the flies want it now, so unfortunately I didn't get to show you everything I wanted to today because I came too late. But tonight I'll actually be going to a all-you-can-drink wine party at the Ikeda Wine Castle. So keep watching and follow me along. I'll put a link in the description and at the end of the video, and I'll see you there. Take care. Bye for now.